What's up guys, today we're going to talk about my investing strategy and mindset when investing to the stock market. My name is Kevin Murray and this channel is all about basic finances and long-term investing tips. My basic strategy when investing to the stock market as a long-term investor is just buying and holding stocks and having an outlook of between 3 and 5 years. When I'm buying a business in the stock market, I'm going to have that mindset of just holding it long-term. That's how money is made over time or creating wealth. Let's just look at Warren Buffett for a quick second. How did he get rich in the stock market? Buying and holding forever. Look at his portfolio. That's how he got rich over time. He took the discipline approach and patient approach when investing to the stock market. Most people my age or people that want to start investing want that quick satisfaction of money, taking that short-term approach when investing. It's not really a sustainable strategy in the market in the long term. Like, ask yourself this question. How many people you know have gotten rich off investing into the stock market in the short term? Day trading, option trading, and just swing trading? Probably not a lot. And plus, when you invest for the short term, you have to pay more taxes, which is called short-term capital gains. You have your perks. As a long-term investor, you have a lot of perks working for you. Number one, you have compounding working for you. What compounding is, in my definition, is the more you have of it, the more it's going to grow over time. So look at a snowball and you just roll it down a hill. It starts small. The more it goes down the hill, it just picks up speed and it grows bigger, 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 and bigger. And like, look at yourself too. The more you put into yourself in college, the more you're going to get back in life. What are the things you're going to do differently than every other college student? You could either be doing blank on the weekends or self-improving yourself as a person. What are the things you're going to do now to set yourself up right now in college, in your 20s and 30s, to being successful in your own terms in life? Like, going back to the stock market with compounding, just think of it like an exponential curve, like in math. The more you have of it, the more it's going to grow over time. Like what Warren Buffett says, long-term investing is one of the most winning strategies in the market. You can't go wrong at all, but it's just having that psychology or mindset right, that foundation first. Not a lot of people have patience in this world or disciplined, but that's how being success in life is. It's about learning lessons and just taking a lot of action. My career in the stock market so far is just the beginning. To be honest, I started in 2019. I had no clue what I was doing. I was in this short-term mindset, making short-term money in the stock market. Sure, I made some money, but I lost a lot of money short-term trading. Quickly learned this wasn't sustainable for myself and for like other people. Throughout history, we could see the stock market has been always going up because of what? The economy has been always improving. Companies have been innovating or disrupting society. Look what happened with Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and even Facebook in the last 5 years. And look at their stock price then. Look at it now. Look at Apple and their 5-year chart. Back in 2016, this company was valued per share at $26.42. And now in 2021, their stock is valued at $120. And you could see the perks of being a long-term investor, having that capital appreciation of this company over time. How does a company increase their share price over time? Is this company growing revenues year over year? Are they increasing profitability? Are they bringing in new products or services into the market, disrupting society? Evolution of the iPhone or the MacBook, even the headphones, the software, or the services Apple provides to the consumers. When you think of Apple, like, what do you think of? Communicating with friends, FaceTiming your family, like the same thing with Facebook. Look at back in 2012 when it IPO'd. It was $31 a share. Now look at it now. Over $282, over 730% compounded. That's like mind-boggling to me even. What is Facebook? Facebook is a social media company that owns Facebook, Instagram. They also own Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, which is big overseas, and Oculus and VR, which is going to be big in the next 3 to 5 years. And I'm an investor in Facebook. It's one of my biggest positions in my portfolio, and I'm big on this. The growth of social media, online advertising, and VR and AR, or virtual reality or augmented reality, is going to be huge. Not trying to like sell you, but it's so true. Like, the growth of it's going to be exponential. Let's look at Amazon's 5-year chart. Started at $582 and now what? It's over $3,000. Just having that mindset, just buying and holding, forgetting about it essentially. Don't do that, but it is. Like, if you buy and hold, you're going to make money. Like, it's just being about patient. You can look at Google over time. Let's look at this too. The S&P 500 index. It's what like financial advisors tell people if they want to start investing into the stock market. Investing in ticker symbols VOO, or VTI. And these indexes track the market. When you invest in these, you get an average return of 6 to 8% each and every single year. Data like backing this too. If you just buy and hold, let compounding work for you over time, you're going to make money. You're going to create wealth over time. Just having that awareness. Most people, when they want to invest into the stock market, look at your like parents' age. Like, they usually invest into an index fund that returns consistent return in the stock market. Nothing big, nothing small. It's just a very conservative approach. First, start out investing into the stock market. Like, when you're my age in college, college, like you have 50 to 60 years of investing or compounding to work for you in life. Why not take the risk and invest in individual stocks, companies you buy that you use each and every single day? Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Zoom, Tesla. So these are high growth companies, and to be a good, well-rounded investor in the stock market, you shouldn't be picking like popular investments. You gotta do the digging and find companies you see potential in. You see companies that are going to be the next quote unquote Apple or Facebook or Amazon or Google. Being an investor in the stock market takes work. Not many do in society, maybe about like 5%. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Don't be stuck in the rat race like everyone else in society. Learn financial literacy and just be a long-term investor in the stock market. Thank you for watching and peace out.